Most people think machines only matter when they're working. But what if I told you the real danger begins when they stop? Vehicles and heavy machines spend most of their lives doing intense, high-pressure tasks in extreme environments. But behind the scenes, something far more critical is happening: maintenance. And if even a small mistake is made here, the consequences aren't just costly, they can be catastrophic. That's why strict time is always allocated for maintenance, not as an option, but as a necessity. It's the only way to prevent hidden damage, avoid sudden failures, and keep these powerful machines performing at their absolute peak. Now here's something most people don't realize. In this video, you're about to see 5 of the most powerful high-strength washing systems ever built. And trust me, these are your everyday car washes. Most of us have seen drive-through car wash stations. Simple, quick, predictable. But have you ever seen one designed for war machines? If not, then this might surprise you. This is a transport wash system, an automated drive-through structure built specifically for military vehicles. And not just trucks, we're talking about armored vehicles and full-size tanks. Here's the shocking part. It can completely wash a military tank in just 45 seconds. Sounds impossible, right? But it's real. Using a powerful touchless cleaning system, it strips away layers of mud, dust, and debris collected during intense military operations. And despite the incredibly short time, the cleaning is deep, precise, and thorough. Because in the military, even a small amount of dirt isn't just dirt. It can hide damage or worse. Vehicles that pass through the system don't just come out clean. They come out mission ready. But speed isn't even the most impressive part. Here's where things take an unexpected turn. This system recycles up to 90% of the water it uses. So while it's built for some of the toughest machines on Earth, it's also designed to be environmentally responsible, something you wouldn't normally expect from military-grade equipment. Now let's shift to another industry, where time isn't just important, it's everything. Mining. In mining operations, every single minute lost can cost thousands of dollars. And yet, these massive machines operate in conditions filled with mud, dust, and heavy debris, the kind that slowly destroys equipment if ignored. So companies face a constant dilemma: stop machines for cleaning and lose money, or keep running and risk serious damage. And here's the reality. Cleaning a 400-ton haul truck the traditional way can take anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. That's not just downtime, that's massive financial loss. But this is where things change. With advanced systems like InterClean equipment, the process is no longer slow and repetitive. Instead of multiple passes, the system removes dirt, grime, and residue in a single, powerful sweep. No wasted motion, no unnecessary delay. What once took hours is now reduced a fraction of the time. And in industries like mining, that difference isn't small. It's the difference between profit and loss. And here's something most people overlook. This doesn't just save time, it dramatically reduces water usage as well, which means faster cleaning, lower costs, and no compromise on quality. Because in industries like mining, cutting corners isn't an option. Now that we're already deep into the world of heavy-duty cleaning systems, there's another name you need to know: Finfinet. And this is where things get even more intense. Finfinet specializes in developing high-pressure cleaning units, powerful pumps, industrial washers, and specialized accessories designed specifically for extreme conditions. We're not talking about regular vehicles here. We're talking about massive mining dump trucks, machines so large they make normal trucks look like toys. And cleaning something of that scale isn't simple. In fact, it's a challenge most systems can't handle. That's why Finfinet uses a specialized water cannon system, engineered to deal with these oversized machines. Because when vehicles get bigger, the pressure has to increase. The nozzle design becomes critical. And even a small inefficiency can mean hours of wasted time. But here's where Finfinet stands out. Operators can adjust multiple flow settings depending on the situation, switching from a focused stream to a wide cone spray. This ensures that every inch of the vehicle, from outer panels to hidden surfaces, is properly cleaned. And for the hardest to reach areas, they've developed custom water blasters designed specifically for those impossible spots. But here's the real shock. These heavy-duty cleaning systems operate at around 3,000 psi. That's nearly double the pressure of a typical car wash. And at that level, dirt doesn't just wash away, it gets blasted off. Now let's move to something even more surprising. Cleaning a train without stopping it. Sounds unrealistic, right? But it's already happening. This is the InterClean train wash system, a combination of touchless and friction-based cleaning working together in perfect sync. And here's the twist. The train doesn't even need to stop. It continues moving along its route while the system cleans it in real time. No delays, no interruptions. And yet, the results are incredibly precise. The combination of soft friction cleaning and high-powered touchless technology allows the system to reach areas that traditional brushes simply can't. Places that would normally be missed are cleaned effortlessly, which makes the entire process faster, more efficient, and far more cost-effective. Because in large-scale transport systems, stopping even for a moment can disrupt everything. And just like the earlier systems, this one also focuses on sustainability. With advanced water control technology, it recycles water efficiently, maintaining a spotless finish without wasting resources. Now, after seeing all these massive industrial systems, let's bring it back to something more familiar. But don't underestimate it, because this final system might look simple, but it's powered by some seriously advanced technology. The automatic car wash. At first glance, it seems ordinary, but behind the scenes, it's anything but. This system uses intelligent detection technology to fully automate the entire cleaning process. No manual labor, no guesswork. Everything is controlled by a computer. Here's how it works. The customer selects a wash package, enters the wash bay, and then something interesting happens. Guiding lights and voice instructions take over, directing the driver exactly where to stop. Once positioned correctly, the system activates. And this is where the real engineering begins. A high-pressure rinse system creates what's known as a water knife, a concentrated stream designed to cut through dirt with precision. It's fast, it's efficient, and surprisingly powerful. The entire system is built using advanced hydrodynamic principles, meaning every drop of water is used with maximum efficiency. The result? A perfectly clean vehicle in minutes. So whether it's military tanks, mining trucks, high-speed trains, or everyday cars, one thing becomes clear. Cleaning isn't just maintenance. It's a critical operation that keeps entire industries running. And sometimes the difference between failure and performance comes down to how well something is cleaned. That's all for the 5 most powerful high-strength washing systems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and tell us what you think in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated with more content like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video might surprise you even more. Until next time, thanks for watching.